Are you looking for a homeschool science curriculum that's biblically based and easy to use? If so, you'll want to take a closer look at Apologia's Exploring Creation with Earth Science. This is an elementary science curriculum that is appropriate for grades 1 through 6 and incorporates some of Charlotte Mason's educational philosophies. So instead of just completing boring worksheets, kids will do their learning through reading, notebooking, narration, and hands-on activities. This curriculum is so easy to use with very minimal prep time and no lesson planning. If you look in the front of the notebooking journal, you'll find a suggested weekly schedule that includes all the assignments, which pages you need to read, which activities to do, and which pages to complete in the notebooking journal. This is extremely helpful because it takes all the headache out of trying to plan and prepare and get ready for the new year. Now, the suggested schedule is set up for doing science lessons 2 days a week for 28 weeks. And I love that that allows extra time for science projects or field trips or other activities like nature study. Now, the textbook, yes, it's a textbook, but it doesn't really look like a textbook. Instead of being black and white with dry, boring text, it's colorful, beautiful, full color illustrations and gorgeous pictures to illustrate what students are learning. In Exploring Creation with Earth Science, students learn how to use the scientific method through age-appropriate hands-on activities. And you'll find an activity several times in each lesson. Hands-on learners are going to absolutely thrive on these. Now, hands-on learning, we know, is what brings science to life, and this curriculum provides plenty of opportunities, as you can see. But my daughter's favorite part of this curriculum is the notebooking journal. And this is not just your average notebook either. It is full of color and detail. Everything is laid out for you here. In fact, every single activity that you do is included in the notebooking journal in the order that it's assigned so that you can literally work your way through just like you would in a workbook, except for it's not a workbook. There's a place for your child to complete every single assignment, and it's just simply open and go. Now, there are a lot of journal pages here. A lot of different activities, mini books and note-taking pages and other things to cut and create. But you don't have to do all of the activities. Even the publisher has said, pick and choose the ones that are appropriate for your child, for their learning style or for their age. You don't have to complete every single one, and that's okay. If you'd like to learn more, you can watch the full review on my blog. I'll drop the link below, and there's also an opportunity there for you to enter to win an Exploring Creation with Earth Science set of your own, with your choice of the regular journal, like this one, or the junior journal, which is for younger children. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make your decision about which homeschool science curriculum you'll be using this year.